Welcome to Boosie Books. In this video, we will show you how to update the GST filing status for a client. You can update the GST filing status for a client and save the credentials as well. How to add GST filing service for a client. To begin, head to Clients under the Clients Management tab. Now enter the name of the client. Click on the Edit icon. Select GST Return Filings under the Regular Services. Click on Save Changes. Now to add credentials, click on the Edit icon. Enter the necessary details, including GST number, user ID, password, authorized signatory, etc. Now select the required form filings. Click on Save Changes. How to update the GST filing status for a client. Go to Filing Status and choose the required form filing. Enter the filing status along with the corresponding filing date. Note that you can also do backdated entries if necessary. Click on Save. And you are done. Thank you for watching.